Meaning of home theater.
Home theater.
Home theater.
Home theater.
Home theater. Home theater refers to a setup in a residence that attempts to reproduce the movie theater experience through the use of video and audio equipment. This typically includes a large screen or projection system, high-quality speakers, and a surround sound system. The purpose of a home theater is to provide a more immersive and authentic viewing experience, allowing viewers to fully engage with the content being presented. A well-designed home theater can turn any room into a cinematic oasis, providing a place for friends and family to gather and enjoy movies, TV shows, and other forms of entertainment.